Hello everyone, my name's Daniel, and today I'll be showing you how to sign up for Higher Origins. This is the Higher Origins business sign up page, and you can access it by going to the bottom of the Higher Origins homepage, clicking the link in the description of this video, or scanning the QR code on screen right now. So, starting out, you'll want to add your name. So here, you are going to want to add your email. This should be the same email that you used when you created your license with the DCC, and we need this so we can verify that you're actually an active license holder. So once that's entered, we're going to move down here and add a phone number and also a password. So we recommend using a pretty long password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols. And we also recommend using a secure password manager so you can always remember your password. Down here is where you would add your Metric API key. Now, this is only optional. You don't need to do this if you use the same email that is verified with your DCC license. So this is kind of a backup. If you want to use it instead of your email, you can. And if you don't know where to find it, we have a little tutorial down here which explains where you can find that. So that's all good. So let's get started. So this should take us to a verification page for our email. You want to follow these directions here. If you don't see the email immediately, check your spam folder, and if you don't see it at all, try and resend it. If there's an issue still, hit us up at hello@higherorigins.com and we'll fix it. So this is what that email should look like. So this is the link we want to click right here. Click here to verify your account. So that should take us to this screen showing us that our email was successfully verified. So now we're going to continue on to log in. So here we'll put in our email and our password from signing up. So on this screen is where we'll set up all of our business information. So let's add our business name here, an address, put in a city, and a zip code. So down on here you'll see add your license. This lists off all the licenses that are associated with your email. So you can check off all the ones that you want to add to your Higher Origins account and click continue. So this next page allows you to invite users to your Higher Origins account. If you want to add someone to the account to give them access, just enter their email here and click send invites, and that'll send them a nice email that they can use to sign up with. I'm just going to skip this for now though. So this is where we add info to our Higher Origins page. This will be the public face of our company on the website. So we have our name already. Let's just add a description. Then if you have a website, you can put it right here. So just paste the URL in here. For your header image, you'll want something that's big and in landscape to put on the top of your page. So I have this cool herbs picture, so I'll put that in there. And then for the profile image, I will use this smiley face. So now you have all of your images and all of your information here for your page. And we'll hit create page. So on this page, you can choose if you want to become a supporter or just use Higher Origins for free. We really appreciate any financial help you can give us, but we understand if you can't support right now. So if you want to become a supporter, click continue to billing setup, and that'll take you to Ridgeworks, who is our payment partner, and you can set up your card for payments there. Or if you're not ready to do that right now, you can just click continue to dashboard. And just like that, you've completed signing up for Higher Origins. Please stay tuned for more tutorials, and I'm glad you could join me today. Thank you very much. Bye.